Hey y'all, Tanny Cooks here, and today I'm showing you how to make some delicious deep fried snow crab. Yes, we're going to bread this snow crab in egg and seasoned flour and dip it in some oil and let it go. It is so delicious. You definitely want to try this recipe, so let's get to cooking. We're going to start off with some jumbo snow crab clusters, two, and I'm rinsing them off. They're already thawed. I let them rest in my refrigerator overnight so they're thawed out, and then after I rinse them off, I squeeze the legs to get any excess liquid out. And then I have both of my clusters in a bowl. And now I am cracking my eggs in order to season them and stir them to prepare them for my crab leg. The seasonings I'm using include Tony's seasoning, the no salt variety, because my other seasonings do contain salt, like the lemon pepper. So now I'm adding garlic powder and onion powder. These are my go-to seasonings whenever I'm deep frying anything. Give them a mix. I'm using a shallow pie dish in order to mix my egg, and this is what I'm going to dip my crab leg cluster in. So here's the beautiful crab leg cluster, snow crab. It's a little bit bigger than my pie dish, so it doesn't fit exactly perfectly, but that's okay. I'm just dredging it and dipping it in the egg and adding the egg on top of it where I need to. This is going to help our flour and cornmeal mixture adhere to the crab legs. So this is my flour. I also have a couple of tablespoons of cornmeal mixed in and the same seasonings that I use in my egg mixture. And so I'm just going to give it a stir here so that the seasonings are evenly distributed. After this, we're going to dip our crab leg mixture that is already dipped in egg into the flour cornmeal. And yes, we are adding flour and seasoning to the whole thing, even the crab leg shells. Even though we're not eating the crab leg shells, it adds to the presentation to have it all fried the same way. So that's why we're doing it. So this is the second cluster. These are perfect clusters, y'all. So these were $18.99 per pound when I bought them here in South Carolina. Leave me a comment below and let me know, what do jumbo snow crab leg clusters cost where you live? Because I feel like this price is continuing to go up and up and up. So now that my crab legs have sat in the flour, I'm going to put them in my deep fryer basket, and my canola oil has been heating up in my deep fryer. And so you just want to let them go for just a couple of minutes. Remember, snow crab that comes to you red has already been cooked before it was flash frozen. So thaw it out, bread it, and only fry it for a couple of minutes. You definitely do not want to overcook it. Just fry it until it is perfectly golden, just a couple of minutes. And there we have it, deep fried snow crab legs. Y'all, look at how beautiful this is. I clarified some butter and I sliced some lemon and I have it sitting on the plate. Even the knuckle part fried looks like crab cakes, doesn't it? The meat tastes delicious when it's deep fried, different than when you boil it or steam it. I definitely recommend deep frying the snow crab clusters. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and help me get to my goal of 1,000 subscribers. Thank you.